Today, I'm going to show you how to normalize audio in CapCut PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to take your video or audio clips and make sure they sound balanced, polished, and professionally leveled. So no more sudden jumps in volume or distracting dips that can throw off your viewers. This is a must-have skill for anyone editing content in CapCut. Let's get started. First, you'll want to add your video or audio clip right onto the CapCut timeline. If you're newer to CapCut, the timeline is that horizontal strip along the bottom of your workspace where you'll build and arrange your project. Go ahead and drag in your file, whether it's a vlog, a podcast, or just a simple voiceover. This is basically laying the foundation for your audio edits. Once your clip is sitting in the timeline, the next step is to select it. Just click directly on the clip itself. You'll notice it gets a highlighted border, showing you that it's active and ready for editing. This step is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which part of your audio you want to work with. If you're working with several clips, make sure you select the right one, or repeat this process for each section you want to normalize. Now, look up to the top right area of your screen. You're looking for the Controls panel, and specifically, you want to find the Audio tab there. Give it a click. This is where all the audio magic happens in CapCut. You'll see a bunch of options. Don't be overwhelmed. We're focusing on making your audio sound smooth and even. Within the Audio tab, find the setting called Normalize Loudness. Sometimes you'll see it listed under Basic Settings, so just scroll a little if you don't see it right away. Normalize Loudness is a tool that scans through your audio and automatically adjusts its volume to a consistent, professional level, most often calibrated around 23 LUFs, which is a standard loudness units measurement in the audio world. This means no part of your clip will randomly blast out or drop too quiet for your audience. To activate normalization, simply check the box next to Normalize Loudness. CapCut immediately gets to work, analyzing the clip's entire audio waveform. This step might take a few moments if you have a longer clip. Don't worry, just let CapCut do its thing. Once complete, your audio will sound far smoother and more regulated. Just like bumpers on a bowling lane, keep things in check. Here's a little tip. Normalization is great at preventing volume spikes, but sometimes you might find your audio sounds a little quiet overall, especially if your original recording was soft. If that happens, you can manually bump up the main volume slider in the same audio panel. Think of normalization as setting your baseline, and you have the flexibility to fine-tune above it. One more thing to keep in mind if you have a multi-clip project. You can apply normalization to each clip individually. This is super useful if you've recorded segments at different locations, with different microphones, or on different days. Normalization brings all those pieces together so your final edit sounds seamless. Finally, if you're planning to add effects, like echo or CapCut's voice changer, always normalize your audio first. This ensures you're starting from a consistent audio level, so all your effects process evenly across your clips. It's like painting on a smooth canvas instead of a jagged wall. The results will be cleaner and more predictable, and that's it. Your audio is now leveled and ready for your creative touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop any questions you have in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy creating in CapCut.